We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. So how do you say it? Two different ways of pronouncing it, especially if you're in the US. The more academic way and the British way of saying it as well is as envelope. Envelope. Stress on that first syllable. Now the second way of pronouncing it, which is also rather common, especially in the US, is as envelope, envelope, or envelope. Those two are correct pronunciations and used. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, like it at least. It helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more confusing words. I'll see you there to learn more indeed. Thanks for watching.